Flowplast's waste and trap systems are compatible with all British standard waste outlets on sinks, baths and hand basins. Flowplast's extensive range covers virtually every situation and environment. It's simple to install, even for a complete novice. Choose from one or two systems, push fit or solvent weld. Although the standard fitting sizes are classed the same, 32, 40 and 50 mm, the two systems are in fact slightly different in size. Ensure you purchase the correct pipe for your chosen system. The two systems can be joined using a universal compression fitting. The push fit fitting. Measure and cut the pipe to size. Lubricate the ring seal in the socket, then push the pipe into the socket. The solvent fitting. Measure and cut the pipe to size. Apply solvent cement to the outside of the pipe and the inside of the socket. Leave for 2 or 3 seconds for the cement to work on the plastic. Then, in one movement, push and twist the pipe into the socket. Allow 5 minutes for the solvent to bond before handling. All pipes must be supported both vertically and horizontally. A wide range of products are available for both systems and include compression fittings. Traps. Flowplast's wide range of traps fully integrates with all of its waste systems. Each trap incorporates a universal compression end to allow the use of both the push fit and solvent systems. A wide range of traps are available,